So in this video I'm going to show you how to set up your JWEI cutter in OptiScout 9. So I'm going to go to settings, standard settings, and then output devices. You'll see that the current output device is a JWEI TB series. If I wanted to, I could change that by clicking on the little dots to the right hand side of it. That'll load up this screen. And you'll see in my list I've got a few different types of JWEI. So it's always going to be JWEI TB series. We then have these two boxes unchecked here. And then we have our TCP IP at the bottom here, which is 127.0.0.1, and the port is always going to be 23. So that's always going to be the same. Press OK on that. And then you'll see I've got a few boxes ticked here as well. So send design relative to origin, use default sorting settings, and prefer job order, plot to file, output only tools layers assigned with tools. So that's our settings within our output devices, and I can press apply on that. You then need to make sure that your device settings in your material devices are going to be the same. So you can go to add devices in here and you'll see that there is your JWEI TB series and your driver in there as well. And that's how we set up our device settings in Eurosystem's OptiScout 9 for the JWEI TB series.